que corren, loco. Yo no sé si se salió porque... Coño, ¿tú viste eso? No, ay. Cuando le toca a uno, no creo esa cosa de suerte, porque se puede ir en cualquier momento. Fíjate este cabrón. Oh my God. Watching the Poseidon show at the same time. That's a keeper, boy. Hold on, hold on. No, no, agarre, no, no, ahí, ahí. Ahí. Vamos a medirlo porque ese parece grande. Watching the Poseidon show here. My friend Milo. Don't cross my line, don't cross my line. Please, don't cross my line. Whew.
Very nice. I like that. I like that. So, I want to continue on saying...
Go ahead, it's big. You can take a picture.
My show is the best show in the world, and I want to keep everybody
take a photo.
all the time. Keep giving away events.
Hey guys, look.
About 2 people.
That looks about a lot.
Other than that, Joe,
Measure
I
it.
want you to tell me about a little bit about your fishing.
Go ahead, go ahead.
You this year. I know you had the tournament. I know you fished that day, but it's you now. What's going on?
Busy running the tournament, getting fish.
Vamos a sacar el 28, 28. 28 is right there. En la circle hook. Cuidado ahí. Peligroso, peligroso. Very dangerous. Strong fish. Yes. A crab, that's a bad sign. That means a week or 2 we got no more fishing here. Ugh. 20, hardly, almost 28. Barely 28. Slot fish. Slot fish. Let's go. I'm going home.